white
Cái đục cái cây của anh.
Sorry em.
to fill the gap.
Just push it in place. If it gets on top, who cares? You already have that wall. When you file, it goes away. Right?
Okay. Just laminate. Now.
Oh, that's sure. I thought it was a logo you had on that. That was cool. It's cool. Yeah.
You could have had us all wear those shirts.
Oh, that's a good way to get us when we get a free shirt. So smart. Yeah, you would have, but your name would be Brian Boo.
That's close.
I'll take it.
BR.
Yeah, exactly.
VR.
Okay. We're there.
The smile like very beautiful.
I think we all can do that, guys.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Look at the face. So, look at why are you laughing so hard? You don't believe in us? You don't believe we can do it?
Here. So, yes.
So sometimes I saw people put the machine, any machine, can we put like underneath, put the foil, that, like the foil, you know, like cooking foil underneath.
For what?
In another LED
For,
machine.
no, the reflection. Because sometimes, you know, I don't want dirty under the pan, so I cover the foil or plastic wrap or whatever is okay for
Yeah,
the
that's fine. Yeah.
No effect to anything. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
One more time.
Oh, yeah, the white has to go for 1 minute.
Yeah, the
Yeah. So for poly gel, we can do 5 nails at the same time. We can play poly gel on 5 nails, sculpt it, then cure 1 time, you've done 5 nails. And jump to another hand, and you're done, and you shape 10 nails at the same time.
And even people with short nails too, they need to form. So is that way, is it better?
If short nail, you can put the tip, or you can sculpt with the form. Okay, now it's ready. Okay.
Have you done it with what they were showing in the videos with the actual nail tip? Make the poly gel in there and then add
The dual form, I see it, I try it, but I doesn't like it because it
I know it
doesn't.
looks super easy, right?
It looks super
You don't
easy.
need a form.
Yeah, but it doesn't give you any structure of the nail.
Good.
You just flap the product onto the form and stick into the nail and cure. Your nail come out, it's go down. You can see it's go down. And it doesn't have any straight point or any, you know, like something to hold the structure of the nail. Easy to snap off and great. Yep.
In other words, it's only that joint that's going to keep it together. Is that correct? Just a joint when you put it on?
Well, I think, you know, it was great to
So the
show
pink is
the
high,
video, but yeah.
doesn't matter, right? Because
Yeah.
the file down anyway.
Right. That's the reason why I do
You
the
need
pink
a
a
wall.
little bit higher.
Doesn't white always have to be like deep like that?
No, you don't have to. Some people
some people don't
just
like it.
like round. Some people like straight.
Okay.
It's just my preference. Yeah, you don't have to do exactly like that.
Nonsense.
He's the tech today. He's the client.
Exactly, everyone else might have the same question.
There's a lot of blood.
So I'm gonna move over.
Just get away from my work in salons.
I have a true studio in my home.
Oh, me too.
Yeah, I do microblading and aesthetics, makeup, facials, and manicures, manicures.
Same you. Same me.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to
Michael, what did you say about when people haven't been much trainers?
debug the thickness right here.
Diabetic? Yeah, diabetic.
Yeah, you have to ask them all the medical questions.
So in salon, you can use your e-file to make your work faster.
Oh, so this is the one time you would use your e-file when
Yeah.
you're shaving.
I mean, your face
Yeah, that's because I done my lips before.
No, you did the color.
Yeah, I have the color too.
The front.
I was thinking about doing my lips too.
Second wheel now.
Sand filing or use the bits to file them?
You try to do the cowboy dance.
We can just you can use hand file or you can use e-file, but because polygel, like I said earlier, like is softer than acrylic, so you just use like kind of file.
Sanding paper.
Oh, I don't do it.
You can do sanding paper or fine carbide bit. Yeah.
Do you?
I know you look bad.
Yeah.
You know what, every time I go to work.
Well, that's why I did my eyebrows, because I had, like, they're completely blonde. And same thing with my lashes, so if I don't have makeup on, I look like, really bad.
See? You don't see the thickness of the pink.
I know, I tried microblading my own eyebrows. I did them, but, yeah, they were thicker, but I lost color because I couldn't go deep enough. Yeah.
But if I can handle pain.
Don't they numb the lips before you do them?
Even if I do it, it hurts like hell. If you want to do mine, I have to buy colors. I'll have to practice on something first. Take skin.
Yeah. Maybe we'll get them injected to numb it.
Any questions so far?